Hey y'all! I just tried to do this as a short, but it came out too long, so sorry for the weird perspective. I just had to clean the charging port on this phone. I can't show you the real phone and still film with it, but hey. um, the advice that I found online was kind of bad, but it led me in the right direction, so I'll show you. Okay, so what I found actually works best are these alcohol swab wipes. They told me to use cotton swabs, but that would get all kinds of lint trapped up in there. So I cut these down small enough that they would fit perfectly into the slot. Like you can see the two edges were actually hitting right on the corners with this one. And you can see all of the gunk that it brought up. So then you just slide it in real carefully until you feel it hit the back, and then you wad the rest of it in as much as you can to squeeze all of the alcohol into it. And then after your swabs come out looking cleaner, then you want to make sure that you've got it nicely dry and you've got all the particulate out. I didn't have any compressed air, so I used the hair dryer on the high setting so that it would both blast it out and get it nice and dry, but use it for a very short amount of time so you don't get your battery too hot. The other bad advice that I found online was to use a pick to try to dig out any particulate. I really don't recommend that. You could damage the connecting parts and like completely ruin your phone that way. If you can't get this taken care of with just the alcohol swabs and compressed air, take it to a professional. Because if they screw up your charging port, they'll replace it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!